Creating your own organic air freshener is a great way to maintain a fresh and clean atmosphere in your home, while also avoiding the potential harmful chemicals found in commercial air freshener. Here is a simple DIY recipe and some formulation tips. DIY air freshener recipe. Materials: a clean spray bottle, 1 cup of distilled water, 2 tablespoons of vodka, rubbing alcohol or real vanilla extract, 30 to 40 drops of essential oil. Procedure: pour the water into the spray bottle. Add the vodka, rubbing alcohol, or vanilla extract. These substances will help the aroma of the essential oil to linger longer in the hair. Add the essential oils of your choice. You can use one or a combination of several to create a unique blend. Experiment with different scents until you find a blend that you like. Shake the bottle to combine the ingredients. Before each use, give it a good shake to make sure the oils are distributed evenly. Spray it in your room for a refreshing smell. Formulation tips: choose the right essential oil. Essential oil not only provide a pleasant smell, but you can also have additional benefits. For example, lavender can be calming and promote better sleep, while citrus scents like lemon or grapefruit can be energizing and uplifting. Start slow. When it comes to essential oil, less is more. Start with a few drops and then add more if needed. Too strong a scent can be overpowering and might cause headaches in sensitive individuals. Use distilled or boiled water. Regular tap water can contain impurities that might interfere with the scent of the oils or cause your hair freshener to go bad more quickly. Distilled or boiled and cooled water are better options. Emulsify your mixture. Oil and water don't mix. Adding a bit of alcohol or vanilla extract can help to emulsify your air freshener, ensuring the oil gets distributed more evenly when you spray. Test on surfaces first. Before you spray your homemade air freshener all over your furniture, test it on a small hidden area first to make sure it doesn't discolor the material. Preserve for longer use. If you are making a large batch that you want to keep for a while, consider adding a natural preservative like grapefruit seed extract. Remember to always respect the potency of essential oil. Some people can be allergic or sensitive to certain oils, so always use sparingly and watch for any reactions. Enjoy your naturally freshened home.